Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to install PostgreSQL on Windows. So very first thing, go to a Google and search for PostgreSQL download and click on the first link which is a downloads. If you're installing for Mac OS, click on Mac OS, or if you're installing for Windows, click on Windows. So Postgre version, we are selecting 18 version, which has been released latestly. Okay, so at the top you have an option to install it. So click on a download the installer. Yeah, just click on this link. The cookies thing, just agree and proceed. And then you have to click on a download option for 18.1 version of SQL. So have some patience. It's going to take some time in order to download this. So by the time you can just explore what exactly is a PostgreSQL. We all know that Postgre is one of the relational uh, database which basically helps you in storing a structured data. It's an open source. It's very good, and the most often or most frequently used relational database in the market. Once you are done with installing, so you can see the link. It's almost done downloading. You just need to double click on it. It will launch a PostgreSQL for you. First, it is installing Microsoft Visual C++. It will take some time, so you have to wait with the patience, almost like 9 to 10 minutes. It takes for installing. Now just click on the next option. So automatically it will select the path. Click on next. Just uncheck the stack builder, not important. So we are selecting PostgreSQL pgAdmin. Click on next. Again, click on next. And just provide a password. Password should always be simple, just like 1 2 3 4. Because if you give a complex one and if you forget, again it's hard. Next. Next. It should be default. Next. Now setup is ready. Just click on next again so that it will start installation. So click on next. Yeah. So again you have to wait for some time. So it is going to take a time in order to install. So we'll wait for it. It's taking time. You have to wait with patience. Almost 2 3 minutes it will take for completing the installation. Almost done. Okay, almost done. Just click on a finish. Okay, then just go to a search bar and just search for pgAdmin. Yeah, just double click. So again, basically, initially in a Windows, it takes a time to launch. So have a patience and just wait with the patience. Okay, it will load. It's launching. Okay, it's loading. So once it loads, you will see the server. So we have installed the latest version, right? That is a server 18. So this is how the interface is going to look like. You can just maximize the screen. Just double click on a servers and just enter the password. So just click on OK while you're done. So you'll see the databases, login group roles, right? So this is how an interface is going to look like. If you just right click on a database, you'll be able to create a database, and you can just create a database. You can launch a query tool. So rest of the things you're gonna study in upcoming videos. So this is all about, installing PostgreSQL in a Windows. I hope it's clear. So as of now, databases, you can just right click and you can actually create it. So we'll see that upcoming videos. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.